I'm doing it.
All right, 3, 2.
Good morning, LVCP. Today is Wednesday, September 26th. Tonight is back to school night from 7 to 8:45. Back to school night is when you and your parents can come and admire your work from the beginning of the year. Please remind your parents to bring the schedule you have created for them so that they know where to go when they get here. Please remember to turn in your PSAT forms by Friday. And the results are in for class colors. Juniors are black, sophomores are gray, and freshmen are white. On Saturday, there's an intergenerational MUN meeting at Alameda College from 8 to 5. Come out and support the Model United Nations and all their efforts. Prom committee, please attend the meeting on Friday in Miss Brown's room during lunch. We want an amazing prom, so please give us your input. There's a softball and baseball meeting today in the MPR. If you're interested, please come even if you're unsure. On Friday, there's a volleyball game at LVCP. Stay for an exciting event and support our school sports. Today is school pictures. Hopefully you wore your besties. Mascot auditions are happening this Wednesday and Thursday at lunch. If you're interested in auditioning, please sign up with Miss Brown in room 18 by the end of Wednesday. Freshman class elections are happening next week. If you're interested in running for freshman class president or vice president, please see Miss Brown in room 18 during break or lunch this week. The school store is making a comeback, but we need dedicated and responsible school staff. Students that work in the school store during lunch can earn up to an hour of community service for each shift that they volunteer. If you are interested in volunteering if you're interested in interviewing for a position on the student store, please visit Miss Brown in room 18 or send her an email at kbrown@lvcp.org. Now on to advisory.